Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Gomes, God will honor my party solution. So please let's consider the next interesting logic question, and that is logic question 7. The question says, in the diagram, the length of xy equals to 12 centimeter. This is your xy, 20 centimeter, comma. Then the length of what? Xz. This is your xz equals to 9 centimeter, comma. Then the length of what? Zn. This is your Zn equal to 3 centimeter. And Zy, this is your Zy, is parallel. This is a symbol for parallel. Parallel to what? Nm. Full stop. Calculate the length of what? Y. The length of my. So we start by saying analysis and the solution. I told us that anytime a question is given, you should be able to identify, yes, the topic from which the question is being set from. So this question is being set from a plane geometry. It's set from the topic we call plane geometry. And the question is all about a similar triangle. It's all about a similar triangle. Okay? This is XYN is similar. The triangle XYN is similar to triangle XMN. Okay, so we can write it in this form. So this is a SY Z, XYZ is similar. We use this as a similar. We use this as a similar to what? XMN. Okay, now this is how we state it. XYZ is similar to XMN. This XYN is similar to what? XMN. Okay, now the next thing that we have to consider is equating the corresponding side of a similar triangle. Okay, so we now say from equating or from equal, yes, from equal ratio of corresponding from equal ratio of corresponding sides side of triangle X, Y, Z and triangle S, M, N. So you discover that the two triangles here, triangle XYZ and the triangle XMN, they have common angle, and that is angle X. Okay, so equal ratio, from equal ratios of corresponding side of triangle what? XYZ and the triangle of what? XMN, because the two triangles, they are similar. Okay, what did I mean by this? Which implies, let's see. Now let's do something like this. It means that the side facing this angle is the side facing this angle all over the side facing this. So that is to say X and that is XZ all over XZ all over what? XN. Like XN equals, then let's come to this side. Let's do something like that. So what I mean is this. You can see this triangle is similar to this. That this angle is similar to this. So this angle also, the side facing is similar to this. So what it means is this. XZ all over what? XN. Because here is, over this. So the same thing, this is a XY all over what? XN. This is XY all over what? XN. Okay, so XY all over what? XM. So which implies, so let's see, our xz, this is xz, is 9. Is 9 all over. Then x, n is what? 9 plus what? That should be 9 plus what? 3. That is xn. This is 9 plus 3 equals, then this is x, y, which is 12. 12 all over. Then you can now see x, xm, which is xm, which is 12 plus, can you see it? This is a y, length of a y. Okay, which implies this is 9 over 12, because 9 plus 3 is 12 equals, this is 12 all over 12 plus what? The length of a y. Right? So, which implies then this can be reduced to what? Because this is a 9, this is 12. 3 can divide them. Equals what? 12 all over 12 plus the length of a y. Okay? Now, what do you do next? Then we have to cross multiply, which implies this is a cross multiply. This will be 3 open bracket. This is 12 plus the length of a what? Y equals, then this should be 4 times what? 12. Okay? Cross multiply. Then which implies, now this is 3 open bracket 12 plus yn, okay, equals, so this one will give us what? I think 48. It will give us 48. So let's see if we can manage the space here. Okay. Now looking at this, you discover that this 3 can divide this. Okay. If 3 cancel like this, you are left with what? Let's see. 3 into this will give us 1, remainder 1. That is 16 here. So we now have something like this, which is okay. Let's see that place. Let's come up and let's come to this side. Let's come to this side. Okay. Now we are now left with 12. Okay, plus y m equals to, cancel card will give us what? 16. Okay, will give us 16. Now, what are we looking for? We are looking for the length of what? We are looking for the length of ym. So what do we do next? Then we have to move this correlation of items. So therefore, now we have a length of ym or my equals to what? 16 minus what? Minus 12. Okay. So the length of ym equals to what? 16 minus 12 will give us 4. So that is 4 centimeter. So you discover that the length of what? Ym or my is what? 4 centimeter. And that is the answer to this question, as is required of us to calculate the length of what? My or yn. So that's just it. So viewers all over the world, if this solution to this logic question is interesting, please advise that you continue to subscribe into my YouTube channel. Thanks and bye for now.